I'm gonna start by putting some chickpeas to a boil. I'm gonna boil some of this tamarind and make a tamarind chutney. So boiling it down in a little bit of water helps to soften up the tamarind, the flesh of the tamarind, so that we can pull the stems out easier. Now I'm gonna cut up this butternut squash. I'm gonna roast the squash, and then later on we'll use that to make our sauce. I'm gonna clean up one of these nopal cactus pads, and this is really good because it helps to thicken up the sauce. Nopal cactus has a little bit of slimy liquid inside of it, and that's good to thicken up the sauce. We just need to make sure we clean up all the needles off of it, give it a final check, and cut it up. I'm gonna cut up this shallot, then cut up one golden onion, one red bell pepper, now back to our tamarind sauce. We're gonna pull all the stems out. Now that our butternut squash is roasted, I'm gonna put it in the blender with one shallot. The shallot's already in there. And I'm gonna blend it up with some of the water from the chickpeas. I'm adding some shredded ginger. This is a habanero pepper. I'll cut it up and add a section, about a quarter of the pepper, to the sauce for the stew. And then I'll add some of the tamarind sauce to sweeten it out. I tasted my sauce after every ingredient I added. This is a bit of star anise I'm gonna add to it also. So I'll start by sauteing some onions. Add some oregano to it. Now we'll add the bell peppers. Now we'll add the rest of the veggies, the nopal. I also put some zucchini in there. We'll add the sauce, and then we'll add the chickpeas, and then put the cover on and let it stew. I'm adding some fresh dill. So I'll let this stew until I can smell the flavors coming out of it. And I'll add a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. And then I'll serve it.